Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today is time for me to play and explain the second minor scale. I've already published 2 videos regarding the minor scales from the practical point of view. In the first one I explained the relation that there is in between the minor and the major scale, starting from the same identical key. In the second video I explain from the practical point of view the 3 typologies of minor, the 3 main typologies of minor scales that we know: the natural minor scale, the melodic and the harmonic, and I also played for you the first minor scale, in all the possible ways, the A minor scale. Today I want to add finally another one, that is the D minor scale. I'm following a slightly different order in this part of the project, but I'm respecting anyways a specific logic. I am showing you the minor scales using anyways the standard fingering. And let's repeat that A minor was the relative minor of C major. D minor is the relative minor of F major. Now let's look again at my manuscript and let's play the scale. As I mentioned, I invite you anyways to watch again the previous 2 videos regarding the minor scales. I'm leaving the link below. But anyways, I said that the only difference existing, for example, if you compare now the D major and the D minor, is in the 3rd, in the 6th and in the 7th note. I repeat, if you compare D major and D minor, they have the 1st and 2nd note identical. The 3rd is lower, 1 semitone lower in the minor, 4th and 5th identical. The 6th and the 7th, 1 semitone lower in the natural minor scale, in the minor natural scale. Let's double check what I mean. If I play the D major, these are the notes. But if I play the minor, I will have natural, yeah? So in D major the F was sharp, now it's natural. Then I pass the thumb. 4th and 5th notes identical, 1, 2, 3 or 3, 4, 5, but then the 6th in the minor natural scale would be B flat, not anymore the B. And then the 7th won't be the C sharp that we had in the major scale, but would be the C, and this is the natural scale. Then, what did I explain in the previous video regarding the melodic, the minor melodic scale? That the 6th and the 7th, in the ascending direction, in the direction that it takes you to the right side of the keyboard, from the 1st note towards the right side, will require the 6th and the 7th raised. It seems that you are playing again like the major scale, yeah, isn't it? But then, when you go again down from the top point that you reach towards the bottom one, let's say towards the start, they go back again to the requirement of the key signature. What does it mean? That it will lower the 6th and the 7th 1 semitone. Let's explain in practice. So if the natural scale is this one, minor natural is 1 flat, because D minor, as we said, is the relative minor of F major. There is just this one, yeah? So it is. And this is the 6th and this is the 7th. In the ascending direction of the melodic, they would become again this. Same as the major, it seems that in the ascending direction you play like D major, like a major scale, simply with the 3rd lowered. Indeed, it's like D major, just with the 3rd minor. But then when you go down, what happened that these 2, they have to go back again to where they were. At the beginning they were, the 6th has to be B flat and the 7th C. And so indeed, when you go down you do. And this is the specific characteristic of the melodic minor scale. What about the harmonic? We said that we raise just the 7th degree. By raising the 7th degree, that in our case is the C that has to become C sharp, the distance will become, in between the 6th and the 7th, 1 tone and a half. This scale is studied already in grade 1, for example ABRSM, and all the students know very well. Let's talk about this harmonic scale in practice. So the first 3 notes, okay, 4th, 5th, the 6th is still the same, the 7th, instead of being the C, the natural C of the natural scale, will have to become C sharp, and that's all. And you keep it also in the descending direction. Now obviously, same as usual, let's play the scale in all the possible ways. So D minor, natural, 1 octave, right hand. D minor melodic, 1 octave, right hand. D minor harmonic, 1 octave, right hand. D minor natural, 1 octave, left hand. D minor melodic, 1 octave, left hand. D minor harmonic, 1 octave, left hand. Now, D minor, natural, 1 octave, hands together. D minor melodic, 1 octave, hands together. D minor harmonic, 1 octave, hands together. D minor natural, 2 octaves, right hand. D minor melodic, 2 octaves, right hand. D minor harmonic, 2 octaves, right hand. D minor natural, 2 octaves, left hand. D minor melodic, 2 octaves, left hand. D minor harmonic, 2 octaves, left hand. D minor natural, 2 octaves, hands together. D minor melodic, 2 octaves, hands together. D minor harmonic, 2 octaves, hands together. And now, finally, fast, 2 octaves, each of them. Melodic. Harmonic. Obviously it's possible even faster than this, but wouldn't make sense at the moment. So I think that it's more than enough. So I think that you've understood that the very interesting aspect of the minor melodic scale in the ascending direction is that when you go up, it seems that you are playing like the major scale simply with a third minor, with a minor third. And then it's obvious that in the descending you play the notes according to the key signature. Indeed, please, for you, pay attention to the key signature. You have to really read carefully which ones are the elements stated in between the clefs and the time signature. That small space in between clefs and time signature is very important, is magic, helps you understanding which ones are the keys that you have to play, okay? That you have to push down. Anyways, I hope that you are enjoying these lessons, that you are understanding properly the scales, the minor scales, from this very practical point of view. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Thank you very much to everybody that is subscribing to my channel. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.